Today I'm speaking with Shannon McAvoy, who is the technical director at ReNu Technologies. Shannon and I have floated around some of the same refining circles for many years, and we just recently connected via the SWE Society of Women Engineer Mentoring Network. Hey Shannon, can you give us a quick rundown of what ReNu Technologies is or does?
Yeah, thanks, Karen. ReNu Technologies is a business line within Refined Technologies, or RTI. RTI specializes in equipment and chemical cleaning decon in preparation for turnarounds and outages. ReNu Technologies, as part of that business, specifically focuses on cleaning finned equipment, predominantly fin fans or air-cooled heat exchangers. But we also clean air preheaters, convection sections, boiler economizers, or heat recovery steam generators. They're commonly called HRSGs, and remove atmospheric foulants from those types of equipment.
Okay, I don't know a lot about cleaning fin fan or finned equipment. How are they normally cleaned? And then versus how does Renew do it?
So, in industry, you'll typically see that there are two broad methods for cleaning the outer diameter of atmospheric cooling exchangers. There are wet methods, and then there are dry chemistry methods. Renew falls into the wet chemistry method, which we use foam to purge the bundles from atmospheric foulants. Renew is differentiated because we use a nucleated foam. Our patented high volume, low pressure application uses a combination of chemistry, water, and air to create a foam that is structurally strong enough to mechanically shear foulants from the metal surfaces of the tube bundle without damaging any of the fins. And this can be done while the unit is online.
Awesome. What data do you look at to make sure that it was a successful cleaning or that the equipment was cleaned well? And then what does Renew see when comparing their technology versus maybe an alternative way of cleaning?
That's a great question. So, Renew reviews client process data to compare KPIs from before and after the cleaning. Examples of what we might look at would include process DT or differential temperature, which is the drop just in the process inlet versus outlet temperature. We may also look at approach temperature and heat duty. There's a bunch of other variables that we can dig into as well. When we compare our cleaning effectiveness to other methods, what I typically see in the data is a step change in performance metrics, which suggests that Renew's method is fully purging the entire bundle of atmospheric foulant.
Okay, thank you for sharing. This is a topic that I didn't know anything or much about. If you are in need of a fin equipment cleaning, I'm sure Shannon can help you out. Thanks for coming on, Shannon.
Yeah, thanks for having me. Hope you have a great day.
You too.